Hello everyone. So here I am going to explain about this trigonometry of this 10th students. This is already I uploaded 3 videos on this topic. Today I am going to explain after 11.2 up to here I uploaded in the parts of 3. So next I want to explain this trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, already I explained this theory for you students. So these are the formulas we have. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta, and cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. On the basis of these formulas we have to solve these sums. Okay, so let us do this example 8. Look at here. In example 8, evaluate the value of secant 35 by cosecant 55. Okay, so given that secant 35 by cosecant 55. So you just change any one of this. Okay, what is the formula for this secant theta? Secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Okay, so look at here. So cosecant, look at here. What is the formula for this secant theta? Secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta. Let us write secant 35 degrees is equal to cosecant 90 minus 35. Is it okay? So let us change this formula as this one. So for secant theta, I am writing it as secant 90 minus 35. Okay, by. So don't change this one. Only one you just change. That implies cosecant. What is the value of 90 minus 35? Subtract this 35 from 90. Then you will get 55 degrees by cosecant 55. That implies, so cancel these two, you will get 1. Okay, it is the value for this equation. So then example 9. So look at here, if cos 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6. So the condition is this one, where 7a is an acute angle, find the value of a. We have to find out this value of a. So given that cos 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6. Sin of a minus 6. Look at here, cos theta. We just assume that it is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Okay, so just like that, cos 7a, how can we write this? Sin of 90 minus 7a. Is it okay? So I am changing this formula as this one. Okay, so according to this formula, I can write this sin cos 7a as sin of 90 minus 7a is equal to sin of a minus 6. Okay, that implies, look at here, the signs. When you avoid this signs on both sides, then you will get here 90 minus 7a, already he was given, no, and a minus 6 degrees are both acute angles. Acute angles. Therefore, you just equate these two. 90 minus 7a. Here on both sides sign is there. So I am ignoring the sign on both sides. A minus 6. That implies, so you just bring this minus 7a into one side and minus 6 into one side. So a plus minus 7a, it becomes plus 7a is equal to 90 minus 6, it becomes plus 6. That implies a plus 7a, 8a, that is equal to 96. That implies a is equal to 96 by 8. Okay, 8. So when you cancel this, you will get 12. That implies a is equal to 12 degrees. A is equal to 12 degrees. Okay, so here we finished this example 9. Look at here. The next example 10. If sin A is equal to cos B, then prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, look at here. So example 10. So given that sin A is equal to cos B, I am writing here sin A, theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, cos 90 minus theta. So I am changing this as, okay, sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. I am changing this sin A as cos 90 minus A. So that implies you just substitute sin A in the place of the sin A. I am substituting this cos 90 minus A. Cos 90 minus A. That is equal to cos B. Here we just avoid these two. Why? Because here A comma B are acute angles. Acute angles. That implies just avoid this, ignore this cos on both sides. Then you will get 90 minus A is equal to B. You just bring this A into other side. Then you have, so minus A, it becomes plus A plus B is equal to, remind here, 90. This we have to prove. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Okay. Next, example 11. Example 11. So look at here. What is example 11? Express sin 81 plus tan 81 in the terms of trigonometric ratios of the angles between 0 and 45 degrees. 0 and 45 degrees. It is 81 is above 45, right? So this expression has to change in between this 0 and 45 degrees. So example 11, that is given that sin 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees. So we have to, so here I am changing both of this one. Why? Because I want the angle in between 0 and 45, both. Okay. Next, here sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, is it? So sin 81 degrees is equal to cos 90 minus 81. Okay, I am changing the first one as like this. And the second one, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Just like that, tan 81 degrees is equal to cot 90 minus 81. Okay, so I am using both of these formulas. In the place of this sin 81, I am taking this cos 90 minus 81. Cos 90 minus 81 plus tan 81. In the place of tan 81, I am taking this cot 90 minus 81. Cot 90 minus 81. Okay, that implies cos 90 minus 81 means 9 degrees plus cot 90 minus 81 means cot 9 degrees. That's it. So this angle is in between 0 and 45. So this angle is in between 0 and 45. Just like that you have to do this sum. Next, in the next page number 288, we have example 12. So look at here. What is example 12? If A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. So given that, first of all, example 12. Okay, given that A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Okay, interior angles of a triangle ABC. Then we have what we know that? We know that sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, isn't? So sum of the angles of a triangle is like just like that, A angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Already he was given, no? So A, B, C are the interior angles of a triangle. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So now I want to, so here divide the above equation with 2. Okay, divide the above equation with 2. So that implies a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2. Okay, but in the question you just look after here, b plus c, according to the question I want to solve this one. According to the question I want to solve this. In the question there is sin b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2 we have to prove. So 2 is dividing all the terms of this numerator. Hence I am separating these terms as a by 2 plus b plus c by 2 is equal to, when you cancel this, 90 degrees. Okay, according to the proof, according to the sum, I want to separate these terms. Okay, we just bring this one into other side. That implies b plus c by 2 is equal to 90 minus a by 2. 90 minus a by 2. Take sign on both sides. Sign on both sides. That implies sine of b plus c by 2 is equal to sine of 90 minus a by 2. Already we know that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sine of, you just write this as it is, that is b plus c by 2, that is equal to cos 90 minus theta is equal to a by 2. That's it. So we used here sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, since according to this formula I am taking this cos a by 2. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. That's it. Okay, so here we finished this up to example 12. Now we entered into the exercise 11.3. So in this exercise 11.3, in the first Roman we have 6 sums. Okay, so 5 sums, only 5 sums is there. So exercise 11.3. In the first Roman, what he was given, that is evaluate. We have to find out these values. Okay, so first one, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. That implies any one you just change. Any one, only one. Okay, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Just like that, tan 36 is equal to cot 90 minus 36. I am using this formula. Okay, so I want to change this above numerator, that is cot 90 minus 36 by cot 54 degrees. That implies cot 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36, what is the value? 54 by cot 54. So you just cancel on it. The value you will get is 1. Okay. So first sum is completed. Here we have second sum. So that is cos 12 degrees minus sine 78 degrees. Okay, any one you just change, any one, only one. Okay, I want to change this cos 12. So cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Okay, in the place of this cos theta, cos 12 is equal to sine 90 minus 12. Is it? So I am using this formula. That implies sine 90 minus 12 minus sine 78. That implies sine 90 minus 12 means 78. So sine 78 degrees minus sine 78 degrees. So this is plus sine 78 minus sine 78. That is equal to 0. The value of this equation is 0. And the third one, that is cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees, just like the above. Okay, any one you just change. This time I want to change this second one. So secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Just like that, cosecant 59 is equal to cosecant 90 minus 59. So first one as it is, you just write here 31 degrees minus secant 59 means cosecant 90 minus 59. That implies cosecant 31 degrees minus cosecant 90 minus 51 means cosecant 31 degrees. So for plus minus, that is equal to 0. You will get the value as 0. Okay, next one, fourth one, that is sine 15 degrees secant 75 degrees. Secant 75 degrees. So look at here, you just change as it is the formula according to the before formulas. Okay, according to the before formulas, if you change this, then you will get the answers. Okay, here look after here. So here sine theta is, so sine theta is equal to, look at here, sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, right? Just like that, sine 15 degrees is equal to cos 90 minus 15. So I am using this one. So in the place of this sine, I am writing this cos 90 minus 15 into secant 75 degrees. Okay, from the first exercise we have one formula, that is 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. Okay, for that I am writing this secant 75 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 75 degrees. In the first exercise we have this formula, so the reciprocal of this cos is nothing but secant. Okay, so that implies cos 90 minus 55 means 75 into, so secant 75 means 1 by cos 75. So cancel these two, you will get 1. That's it. So last sum, tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Just like the above, you have to do this one. Okay, so I want to change this, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Just like that, tan 26 is equal to cot 90 minus 26. Okay, so I am using this formula first. That implies tan 26 means cot 90 minus 26 into tan 64. Okay, so but we know that tan, from the first exercise, the reciprocal of this tan is nothing but cot. So 1 by cot theta is equal to tan theta. So just like that, tan 64 is equal to 1 by cot 64. 1 by cot 64. That implies cot 90 minus 26 into 1 by cot 64. So cot 90 minus 26 means cot 64 into 1 by cot 64. Cancel these two, you will get 1. The final answer is 1. So here we finished this first Roman. Now I want to explain this second Roman. Okay, we have to prove this. The value of this one is 1. The value of this one is 0. That we have to prove that. Okay, in the second Roman, the first one is tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees. Okay, just look after which angles which makes 90 degrees, which any two angles which makes 90 degrees. Here look after this 48 plus 42, 90, as well as just like that 74 plus 16, 90. Just like I am writing these two at one place, I am writing these two at one place. Just for convenience I am writing, just for convenience. Okay, tan 48 degrees into tan 42 degrees. Okay, into tan 16 degrees into tan 74 degrees. That implies, look at here, tan 48 degrees into tan 42 degrees. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So tan 42 degrees is equal to cot 90 minus 42 degrees. Okay, so I am writing here tan 42 is equal to cot 90 minus 42. Okay, just like this, tan 16 degrees I am writing same. So I want to change here. Tan 74 degrees is equal to cot 90 minus 74. That's it, no? So cot 90 minus 74. So here these formulas I used here. Okay, tan 48 degrees into cot 48. Why? Because 90 minus 42, 48. Tan 16 degrees into 90 minus 74, 16. So 16. That implies tan 48 degrees into cot. I have to write cot theta is equal to, from the first exercise, 1 by tan theta. The reciprocal of this tan is nothing but cot, right? In the place of this cot theta, I am writing 1 by tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into cot 16. I want to write 1 by tan 16 degrees. So tan 48, tan 48, tan 16, tan 16. Cancel. 1 into 1, 1. That's it. Here LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. So just like this, second, cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. We have to prove. Okay. In this sum, I want to change this one, not this. I am remaining this sum, this sin 36 and sin 54 as it is, and I want to change the first one. Okay. So cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. We know that. Okay. Just like that, cos 36 degrees is equal to sin 90 minus 36. Just like that, cos 54 is also equal to sin 90 minus 54. I am writing these formulas in the place of here. Okay, sin 90 minus 36, sin 90 minus 54. I want to change only this one. So not this. Minus sin 36 sin 54. That implies sin 90 minus 36, 54 degrees, sin 90 minus 54, sin 36 minus sin 36 sin 54. Here look after here, sin 54 sin 36, sin 36 sin 54. So both are cancelled. It is plus, it is negative. That implies 0. Here LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, here the second Roman is finished. Now look at the third sum. Look at the third sum. So if tan A is equal to cot A minus 18. So here the condition, given that the condition is tan 2A is equal to cot A minus 18. But 2A is an acute angle he was given. Okay. So in the place of this first one, I want to change tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Just like that, tan 2A is equal to cot 90 minus 2A. 90 minus 2A. So look at here. Okay. That implies in the place of this tan A, I am writing this cot 90 minus 2A. Cot 90 minus 2A is equal to cot A minus 18. Okay, just avoid this cot on both sides, and we know that is 2A, 2A and A minus 18 are the acute angles, hence avoid this cot on both sides. That implies 90 minus 2A is equal to A minus 18. That implies we just bring this 2A into other side and 18 into this side. That is equal to A minus 2A, it becomes plus 2A. That is equal to 90 is there here, minus 18 it becomes plus 18. Okay, that implies A plus 2A, 3A. That is equal to, by addition of these two, you will get 108. That implies A is equal to 108 by 3. On cancellation, you have 3, 18, it is nothing but 36. That implies A is equal to 36 degrees. Here you have the value of this A. Okay, here we finished. The fourth sum, look at here. If tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, hence prove A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Look at here, given that tan A is equal to cot B. Okay, so we know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. That implies tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Okay, by using of this, tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Just avoid these two cot. So why? Because here A comma B are acute angles. Acute angles. That implies by avoiding these two cots, so 90 minus A is equal to B. That implies 90 minus A is equal to B. You just bring this A into other side. So A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. That's it. Minus A, it becomes plus A. So A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Next. So fifth sum. If A, B, C are the interior angles of a triangle, show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Just like the example 12. So fifth sum. So here given that A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. So we know that some of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That implies A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because A, B, C are the interior angles of a triangle. No. Hence angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So here according to the sum, I want to divide the above with 2. Okay. That implies A plus B plus C whole by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. That implies A plus B, according to the sum, A plus B has to separate. Okay. So A plus B by 2, I am separating this denominator for the terms, plus C by 2 is equal to, on cancellation you will get 90 degrees. You just take this C by 2 into other side. So A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Okay. Take tan on both the sides. Then you will get, that implies tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. And we know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Hence it is proved. That's it. This has to prove for this sum. And next, in the sixth sum, look at here. So express this sin 75 plus cos 65 in the terms of trigonometric ratios in the between 0 and 45. Just like the example. Okay. So given that sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Okay, I want to change these two. That implies, we know that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Already also cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So by using of this formulas, I am changing this cos 90 minus 75 plus sin 90 minus 65. Okay. So then you will get cos 90 minus 75 15 degrees plus sin 90 minus 65 sin 25 degrees. So these angles are in between 0 and 45. Hence it is proved. That's it. We finished this example 11.3, all the sums. After finishing this 11.3, we just before we have one think and discuss is there. Okay, in page number 285, think and discuss. Okay, look after here. For which value of acute angle? For which value of acute angle? Acute angle means, so 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, whatever you want, you just take. Okay, so at which values this is true? At which values this is true? We have to check for each and every angle. Each and every angle we have to check. Case 1. Okay, given that the condition is cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4 we have to prove. Okay, so it has to be proved. Okay, case 1, I am taking it case 1. Let theta be 0 degrees. 0 degrees aithe. Okay, then you just substitute in the place of 0. So cos 0 degrees by 1 minus sin 0 degrees plus cos 0 degrees by 1 plus sin 0 degrees. That implies cos 0 degrees is equal to 1 by 1 minus sin 0 degrees is equal to 0 plus cos 0 degrees is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin 0 is equal to 0. That is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. That is equal to 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2. Is it true? No. Here, if theta is equal to 0 degrees, the condition is not satisfied. Okay, hence I want to take case 2. So here I want to take theta as 30 degrees now. That implies cos 30 degrees by 1 minus sin 30 degrees. In the place of theta, I am substituting first time as 0 and the second time I will take this 30 degrees plus cos 30 degrees by 1 plus sin 30 degrees. That is equal to cos 30 degrees is equal to cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2 whole by 1 minus sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 plus cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, look at here. That implies root 3 by 2 whole by, when I am doing the LCM for these two, okay, you will get 1 minus half plus root 3 by 2 whole by, when you are doing this LCM, that is 2 plus 1. Okay, here we have 1. So LCM of these two, 2. In one table 2 times 2 plus 1, that is equal to root 3 by 2 whole by 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2. That implies root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, reciprocal of this, plus root 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. You just cancel these 2. That is equal to root 3 plus root 3 by 3. So the value which does not get this 4. Hence here theta is equal to 30 degrees is not satisfied for the given condition. 4 will not come, no, hence it is not satisfied. So case 3. Now this time I want to take, let theta is equal to 45 degrees. Let us take this 45 degrees. That implies cos 45 degrees by 1 minus sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees by 1 plus sin 45 degrees. What is the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2 by 1 minus 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 by 1 plus 1 by root 2. That implies 1 by root 2 whole by root 2 is LCM, 1 into root 2 minus 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole by root 2 is root 2 plus 1. Okay, so that implies 1 by root 2 into reciprocal of this root 2 by root 2 plus root 2 minus 1 plus 1 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2 plus 1. Root 2 cancel, root 2 cancel. So here I got 1 by root 2 minus 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Okay, so while doing this LCM, root 2 minus 1 of root 2 plus 1. So here root 2 minus 1 is there, but root 2 plus 1 is not there. Root 2 plus 1 plus root 2 plus 1 is there. Root 2 minus 1 is not there. Root 2 minus 1. That implies, so root 2 plus 1 plus root 2 minus 1 by, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, root 2 whole square minus 1 square. That implies, okay, these two are cancelled. 2 root 2 by square root cancel, 2 minus 1. That implies 2 root 2 by 1. That is equal to 2 root 2. Here theta is equal to 45 degrees is not satisfied for the given condition. Let us check case 4. Theta is equal to, let theta is equal to 60 degrees now. Okay, cos 60 degrees by 1 minus sin 60 degrees plus cos 60 degrees by 1 plus sin 60 degrees. That implies cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2 whole by 1 minus root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2 by 1 plus sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Here that implies 1 by 2 whole by LCM for both. So 2. 1 table 2 times. 2 ones 2 minus root 3 plus here 1 by 2 whole by 2. So here 1 is there, 2 plus root 3. Okay, so reciprocal of this 1 by 2 into 2 by 2 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 into, I am taking the reciprocal of this denominator, reciprocal. Okay, 2 by 2 plus root 3. Here 2 cancelled, here 2 cancelled. 1 by 2 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus root 3. Take the LCM of these two. 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. So here 2 minus root 3 is there here. 2 plus root 3 is not there. 2 plus root 3 I am writing here. Plus 2 plus root 3 is there. 2 minus root 3 is not there. 2 minus root 3. We just cancel plus root 3 minus root 3. So 2 plus 2, 4 by. Here a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means 2 square, a square minus b square. So square root cancelled. Here 4 by 4 minus 3. That implies 4 by 1. That is equal to 4. Here we got the value of this 4. Yes, it is true when the theta is equal to 60 degrees. The value of theta is 0 degrees is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to 90 degrees. Hence it is satisfied the given condition. Okay, here we finished this sum. Just for fun, you have to check this case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Okay, just it is think and discuss sum. It's not, maybe it will give, or maybe it was mentioned for the examination or not. It is one somehow it is very lengthy. Is it proved by, is this given condition is proved by 4 or not? Okay, for each and every condition of this 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, everyone has to check. Okay, and at last we got the value of this 4 at theta is equal to 60. That is, we finished this think and discuss. Thank you.